What if your critical systems failed right now, without warning? Imagine the impact on your operations. Would your team know exactly what steps to take to restore services? Or would confusion and chaos take over, leading to costly delays and potential data loss? We spend so much time and energy perfecting our businesses, building efficient processes and optimizing for growth. But we often forget to plan proactively for the unexpected disruptions that can derail even the most successful ventures. A power outage, a cyber attack, or a natural disaster can strike at any time. A comprehensive disaster recovery plan is your essential safety net, providing a clear roadmap to recovery. It's a detailed blueprint outlining exactly what to do, step by step, when things inevitably go wrong, ensuring business continuity. But a plan sitting on paper, gathering dust, isn't enough to guarantee a smooth recovery. You need to actively practice and refine your plan through regular drills and simulations. Disaster recovery drills turn abstract theory into concrete action, allowing your team to apply the plan in a realistic scenario. This ensures your team members fully understand their specific roles and responsibilities when a real crisis inevitably hits. Drills transform potential anxiety and panic into calm confidence, empowering your team to act decisively. They let your team experience the pressure of a real-world event in a safe and controlled environment, building resilience. Regular practice builds trust and confidence in the effectiveness of the plan itself, and crucially in the capabilities and reliability of each other, fostering a strong team dynamic. A well-practiced and prepared team can respond calmly and efficiently under pressure, minimize costly downtime, ensuring a swift return to normal operations, and ultimately protect your valuable business assets and reputation. The ultimate goal is to make the recovery process second nature, an automatic response ingrained in your team's DNA, so you're fully prepared and ready to face anything that comes your way with unwavering confidence. Don't just design your business for success in ideal conditions. Prepare it to withstand any storm, ensuring its resilience and long-term viability in the face of adversity. What truly makes a good drill? It's more than just running through the motions. It's about building confidence, identifying weaknesses, and ensuring your team is prepared for anything. It starts with crystal clear communication. A well-defined communication strategy is the backbone of any successful recovery plan. Test how you'll reach your team if primary systems are down. Explore alternative methods and ensure everyone knows how to use them. Group texts. Are they reliable during peak usage? Phone trees. Are they up to date and easy to navigate? And messaging apps. Are they accessible on personal devices if the office network is compromised? Next, rigorously test your backups. Don't just assume they're working. Actually, restore data to a separate environment. This will help you identify any potential issues with the restoration process itself and see if it's complete and accessible. Verify the integrity of the restored data to ensure it's usable. Time your recovery. Measure how long it takes to restore critical systems and data. Does your plan meet your business's downtime limits? Are you meeting your recovery time objectives, RTOs? Assign clear roles. Define responsibilities for each team member. Everyone should know their job in a crisis. This eliminates confusion and ensures a coordinated response. Drills aren't just about technology. They're about the entire business operation. They're about people acting decisively, making informed decisions under pressure. When everyone knows their part, recovery is faster and smoother, minimizing disruption to your business. A strong drill turns individuals into a unified response team, working together seamlessly to overcome challenges. That's the foundation of resilience, the ability to bounce back stronger than before. Even the best plans have weak spots. Don't just involve IT. Every department needs to know their role. Go beyond tabletop exercises. Simulate real pressure and unexpected challenges. Always hold a debrief. That's where you learn and improve. Keep your plan updated. Outdated contacts or instructions can cause failure. Use drills to test and refresh your plan regularly. Avoid these common mistakes, and your team will be ready for anything. True resilience comes from learning, adapting, and staying current. Building a strong drill doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it's surprisingly simple when you break it down into manageable steps. A well-designed drill can significantly enhance your team's preparedness and response capabilities. First, set one clear and measurable objective. Then, rigorously test communication protocols to ensure everyone stays informed. Next, simulate restoring a key system, or focus on something very specific, like a particular procedure or task. It's crucial to inform leadership and all key stakeholders in advance, ensuring there's no confusion or misinterpretation during the drill. Decide strategically whether the team gets advance notice about the drill or whether it's designed to be a complete surprise, testing their immediate reaction. Run a realistic scenario that mirrors potential real-world events. Carefully observe and document how your team responds under pressure. Focus on learning and improvement, not achieving perfection. Identify any bottlenecks, areas of confusion, or points of failure in the process. Debrief with the team immediately after the drill. Celebrate and acknowledge what worked well, openly discuss what didn't work as expected, and use these insights to update and refine your plan. Repeat the cycle: drill, learn, improve. Start today. Download our free checklist and take the first step towards building your business's resilience and ensuring long-term success.